Let's divide 52 by 2. Her Supermath friends. Woving hand, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's dive into our first step. We're going to use the first div of 52, which is 5. How many times does 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 times. Let's add 2 times 2 is 4. Now we subtract. 5 minus 4 leaves us with 1. Awesome, you're doing great. We've got a remainder of 1. Let's bring down the next divot. Next step, team, let's see what we have. We bring down the 2 next to our remainder 1, making it 12. Now how many times does 2 get into 12? It's 6 times. Let's multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12. Subtract 12 from 12 and we get 0. Perfect. You're crushing it, so close to the end. We've reached the end of the dividend and our remainder is 0. That means we're all done. We did it. 52 divided by 2 is 26. Great job, Supermath friends. You conquered 52 divided by 2. Remember, every division problem is a chance to shun. Keep practicing and you'll be a math whiz in no time. Thanks for watching, Math Explorers. See you on the next Let's Stud adventure. But for now, woving hand.